Okay, we're at Chucky, Uncle Charlie's cabin. We get Snowdrift and Nate's first viewing of snow.
Look. What's that? Look at that. Look. Ooh, he just touched it. What's that? Is it cold? What's that? What do you think? Look at all that snow out there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that. Look. What in the world? Whoa. Oh.
Is it cold?
You get some more? Oh, there's more. Whoa.
Okay.